discuss about diseases that do not spread. Here, some diseases are not caused by germs. So, in the last class, we learned the diseases that were spread through the germs. Today, we can learn about the diseases that do not spread by germs.
Good morning, ma'am.
These diseases do not spread from one person to another. If the germs are not causing these diseases, means they won't spread it. Today, we can learn about the diseases that do not spread. Say, you are familiar, now you learned about cancer, these type of kidney failures, liver failures, heart failure, these all. These diseases are not formed because of the germs, but these diseases are formed due to the non-functioning of internal organs. Non-functioning of internal organs. Sometimes kidney stone, that all you learned in the last class, right? Indigestion, that also you learned. Are they making any causing, are these all diseases are formed due to germs? No, they are not formed due to germs. In the same way, see, extreme hot or cold weather can also cause some diseases or allergies also. If it is too hot during the summer season, in the daytime, it is advised not to go out of the house, right? There may be, due to the intense sunlight, there may be some heat stroke. Heat stroke, you might have heard about it, Suryaghadam. In Malayalam detail that you might have read about it in that newspapers. Heat stroke, that is due to the extreme hot. And in the same way, extreme cold weather also can cause some diseases. That is called frost bites. Frost bites. If it is too cold, that also causes some disease. So these all things are not caused by germs and sometimes due to harmful things in the food, air or water. Say, mute your audio. Due to the harmful substances in the air, water or food.
Organ.
That also can cause some diseases called allergies.
Common diseases.
Allergies. For example, mute your audio, Tonio. For example, see if the near your house, if the some road works are going on, road construction, if it is going on, you can see a lot of dust in the air. If we are breathing that dust particles from the air, that may cause some allergies. Okay, so if some disease, extreme, this one, harmful substances in the food, water or air can cause these diseases. That is called allergies. Some preservatives which are used in the chocolates or in the cookies, that also can cause allergies. So,
I'm not hearing voice.
okay, please wait it. Okay, so these
I'm
all.
not hearing voice.
Okay, Abhiram, I think you are.
I'm not hearing all.
Egraj, your network is.
I have allergy.
Okay, Sahal, you are. Say if your voice is.
I cannot hear.
Egraj, your network is not stable.
Yes.
Your voice, I can. That is also breaking. That is why you can't hear the teacher's voice. Please wait. Okay, mute your audio. All others can hear. Egraj, mute it. So, okay, somebody told Sahal, right? Sahal, you told me about some allergy.
Yes.
Okay, which object it is allergic to you?
Nose.
Sorry?
Nose.
Nose. Nose is an organ. How
Dust,
it?
dust.
Dust allergy. Okay, you are allergic to dust. Yeah. So you have to avoid it, right? So in the same way, that is not spread to one person to another. So allergies, this non-functioning of internal organs, extreme hot or cold weather, this all can cause the diseases which are not spreading from one person to another. And most important, some diseases can form due to the lack of vitamins and minerals in our body. In the first chapter, we learned the importance of nutrients. If the nutrients absorb the useful things from the nutrients are the substances that we will get from the food. If the nutrients are there, then only we will get the energy, right? So some diseases can form if some particular vitamins and minerals are not enough in our body. For example, iron. Did you hear about iron? Iron.
Yes.
Yes, iron is a metal that we are using in our household works, right? Iron. The another one is it is a mineral. Iron is a mineral that is required for our body. Sarah, mute your audio and switch on the video. So, iron is an important mineral. Okay, this mineral is required for our body to produce blood. To produce blood. If blood is not enough in our body, we may become anemic. So, this anemia is the name of a disease. If our body does not have enough blood, so who is producing this blood in our body? Iron. So iron, if it is not enough, there are chances of getting this anemia. So anemia is not spread from one person to another. That is due to the deficiency of a nutrient in our food. So due to the deficiency of some nutrients, there are chances of getting some disease. So are you sure? Are you ready to see the photos of some diseases?
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Then mute your audio. Asin, mute your audio. Switch on the video also. Okay. Don't when I am sharing the screen, don't unmute it. Okay. At that time, I have to close it and to come back to you. So you may lose time. So be ready. Here you can see diseases that do not spread. 1 minute. So,
Ma'am, I cannot see.
okay, please wait. Please wait. You can see it. Okay, please wait. 1 minute. I am. These all things we learned in the last class.
Airborne diseases.
I am changing
Through
this all.
the air, waterborne
Born disease.
diseases.
Okay, you can see it, right? Okay.
Diseases that
Diseases spread through the insects.
contact COVID-19.
1 minute. Okay. I'm selecting.
Diseases that spread with insects.
Okay. Here we
That
can
do
learn
not spread.
diseases that do not spread. Yeah, Sahal's network is good, so he can read it fast. Diseases that do not spread. Example: liver disease, heart failures, allergies, heat stroke, force bribes, hemophilia.
Hemophilia.
These all are some of the examples of non-spreading diseases. Okay, that all we discussed. So next question, next one. Diseases that mute your audio.
Due to the lack of
Sahal muted. No need to read now. Let me explain. After that, I will call some students. Okay. So please wait. Astin, mute your audio. It's disturbing the class. Here, diseases due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Okay, here you can see why night blindness. It is the name of a disease, night blindness. From the word itself, you can understand that during the night time, the person won't be able to see. If we are using powerful lights, then also, if the people who are suffering from night blindness, they will become blind during that night time. They will become blind during night time. That is because this is due to the lack of vitamin A in their body. Vitamin A is the nutrient that gives them, that can affect our vision, that can affect our eye vision. So, if any person they are lacking of this vitamin A, there are chances of getting this disease called night blindness. This night blindness, only the person can't see after the sunset. During daytime, he can see it. Gradually, he will lose the whole vision. After some years or after some months, he will completely lose his vision. Okay, so vitamin A, due to the lack of vitamin A, there is a chance of getting night blindness. From the word itself, you can understand, right? It is something related to itself, to our vision, eye vision. So vitamin E, how can we recover from it? We can include more and more food items that contain vitamin A. Can anybody tell me which food item contain, food substance contain vitamin A? Which food substance contain vitamin A? Anybody? See, leafy vegetables like spinach, leafy vegetables. Yes, yes. One minute.
Spinach.
Okay, who can say it about the vitamin A substance which we get vitamin A?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sahal, tell me.
spinach.
Spinach, leafy vegetables. Okay, green leafy
Green.
vegetables all contain vitamin A. So, if
Cauliflower.
these all things, mute your audio, Sahal, okay. So, these all
Ma'am.
you can, yes, Len?
Carrot.
Carrot, very good. Carrot is there. So, sorry. So you have to include these all food substances in your food. So you can avoid this night blindness. If you are becoming blind, can you see the beauty of this world? No,
No.
not possible. So don't neglect that leafy vegetables. Okay. So we can move to the second one. This is scurvy. Scurvy. The name of the other disease is scurvy. Okay, scurvy. This scurvy is a disease that is caused due to the lack of vitamin C in our body. If vitamin C is not present in our body, is not enough in our body, there may be chances of getting this scurvy. So take your rough book and write down the spellings. How you will write? First one, night blindness. Night blindness. Straight to that name, you write vitamin A.
Ma'am, 3 times.
No, one time only. Now you write only one time. After this class, you can write it 5 times. So first write down these old words. Okay. And after the class, take each word and you can write 5 times. Now you write down. You have to write down the new words. You are writing these new words, right? So first one, night blindness. I will call. I will call some student. Ethan. Ethan. Okay, read the spelling of night blindness so that others can write.
NIGHT.
Okay.
INDNES. Night blindness.
Once again, read it properly. Once again, some letters.
And this all.
No. First, you learned which word? Night blindness. Straight to that, you write vitamin A. So, when you are writing and studying, you can learn night blindness is caused due to the lack of vitamin A.
How many times?
Now, only one time. Only new words you want to write. Delna, read the night blindness spelling fast.
NIGHT. Night blindness. BLINDNESS.
Very good, very good. Okay, so can you read the next one also? Scurvy. Delna.
SCURVY.
Okay, scurvy. Okay, scurvy. So write down, and along with the scurvy, you write vitamin C. I hope you all had completed the first two new words. So shall I move to the second slide? Okay. Can you see a picture here? Is
Yes,
it beautiful? Is it beautiful?
No.
Are you scared of it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you scared of it?
Yes.
Okay. See, this is the.
No.
Okay. I will
Scurvy.
explain. Okay. Scurvy. Scurvy means
Scurvy.
if vitamin C is, mute your audio, mute it. If vitamin C is less in our body, our gums means where the teeth, our teeth are attached. The reddish colored gums are there, right? So where our teeth are attached, that part is called gum. So if vitamin C is not enough, blood will come out of the gums. Blood will come out of our gums. That disease is called scurvy.
Scurvy.
Okay, Nora, see, you are unmuted. Unmute it fast. Unmute it fast. Okay, so you are already using one device and you are attending the class. Then why are you taking another one? Just listen to the class, okay? I will ask questions in between. Mute your audio. So here you can see scurvy. Scurvy means bleeding from the gums. Why this formed? Due to the deficiency of vitamin C in our body. Okay, so if you want to avoid this disease, you have to include more sour tasted fruits. Sour tasting fruits such as lime, orange, like these things. If you are eating more and more, you can avoid all these. So I hope you everything is clear now. Next one is if in our body, if vitamin B is less, that can cause two diseases, beriberi and pellagra. Two diseases. If in our body, if vitamin B is less, that can cause two diseases. First one is beriberi, other one pellagra. So the new words you write down.
I cannot hear you.
Okay, so please wait. Write down the word beriberi and pellagra. Okay, I will call Evangel. Unmute your audio, Evangel. Fast. Okay, read the spelling of beriberi. Beriberi.
B-E-R-I-B-E-R-I.
Okay, mute your audio. Arav. Unmute it, Arav. Arav. Read
Yes.
the second word.
Ma'am.
Read the second word
Yes,
near to
ma'am.
the berry spelling.
Pellagras.
Once again you read.
Pellagram.
Oh, P. Someone other is also reading it, or is it echo? Okay, anyhow, mute your audio. Pellagra, Pellagra. This is due to the deficiency of vitamin B. I hope everybody had copied the new word. New word. I will show berry. Hmm?
What is this?
I will explain. Okay, let me explain. Vitamin B is less in our body. If vitamin B is less in our body, that can affect our muscles. That our muscles become weak. Our muscles become weak. So at that time, muscles help us for our movement. Our body can't move it. That is, you can see swellings all over our muscles. Here also in the picture you can see, right? The legs are, so swellings are there on the legs. So, this if vitamin B is not sufficient in our body, that can cause a disease called beriberi. Beriberi means our muscles will become weak. There will be swellings all over our body. We won't be able to move. Understood? Huh? Okay. So shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, pellagra. Right? Pellagra. Pellagra is a skin disease, a type of skin disease. This disease is also formed due to the lack of vitamin B in our diet. If vitamin B is less in our diet, that can cause this disease. Pellagra. Okay, it is called pellagra. Okay,
No.
next one. So, due to vitamin B, two diseases can cause, that is beriberi and pellagra. Next one is anemia. Anemia. I will show you a picture. After that, I will explain. See, here. Can you see a picture here? Okay, I will ask you. Okay, you can see hands, right? Picture of a hand, two hands.
Yes.
Okay. Say, let me ask you. Uh, let me ask you 1 minute. 1 minute. Say somebody. Niranjan. Niranjan, switch on the video, or is it already on? Niranjan. Here, so many students have Niranjan's. Okay. Shab, Niranjan, some more loudly. Okay. Your voice is so low. Oh, okay. I will come back to you. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Arav, unmute it, Arav. I will share now one picture. You have to answer my question. Okay. Please watch. In this picture, Arav, can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In this picture, can you see any difference?
Yes.
What is the difference in that picture? Color, is there any color difference?
Yes.
Yes. Both, okay, mute your audio.
Yes.
Both the hands have different colors, right?
Yes, white and
Okay.
purple.
One is pink color. The right side, mute your audio. On the right side, you can see a hand which is having pink color, right? Rose, pink, likewise we can see. See, that is the color of our hand also. most probably. And the left hand, it is white color. It is not pinkish. It is merely
One
white.
color is white, one color is pink.
Yeah. The white color is pale color. We can say pale color. When we scared of something, all on a sudden, if we scared, we will become pale. The blood circulation won't be there at that time. So that time we will become pale. Pale means this color. Now you understood. Pale color means this color, left side. The color of the hand which is kept on the left side. Say, if our body is not producing any blood, if our blood, the quantity of the blood is less in our body, our body color will change to pale color. Understood? If our body is lack of this iron, if our body lack of this blood, our body color will change to this pale color. Okay. If our body has enough blood, our skin color will be of that it is shown in the right side. Okay. So, uh, what is which mineral is iron? Iron is producing this blood in our body. Iron is a metal that you know. We can make so many weapons using iron. This iron is an important part of our body function also. It is a mineral. This iron produces blood cells, blood. This iron we will get out of leafy vegetables. If we eat leafy vegetables, bitter gourd, dates, these all dry fruits, that all can produce iron in our body. If iron is produced in our body, it will help in the production of blood. So, if we are not eating any iron producing food substances, our body can't prepare blood, can't produce blood. So, our body will become like this color. Blood helps in all the activities, right? It helps in all our activities. In the, it will take digested food. It will take the waste from our body. It gives oxygen to all parts of our body. So, if blood is less in our body, that can affect all the body functions in our body. So, if our body, if blood is less, means we will become tired. We will become tired. We can't do any work. Understood? So, our body color will change into pale white. That condition is called anemia. That condition is called anemia. Okay, so you have to write down the word. Okay, write the new word anemia. Ananda Krishnan, unmute it and read the spelling of that name of the disease. Ananda Krishnan, unmute. Unmute it, dear. Okay, read the spelling. Anemia. Spelling. All have to copy down the spelling. Anemia.
ANAEMIA.
Okay, anemia. Anemia. In the bracket, it is written as symptom. How can we understand that whether we are anemic or not, or the disease anemia is there in our body? How can we? By seeing the color of our skin. That is why doctors are checking our eyes. When we consult a doctor, doctor first will check it in our eyes, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So he is checking whether in our body blood is enough or not, right? So if it is very white in color in our eyes, he will describe some iron syrups, iron tablets or iron syrups. So if we eat iron, we will in our body, it will help to produce more and more blood. Is this anemia is spread by any germs? Is this anemia is spread by any germs? No, no. That is due to the deficiency of iron in our body. That is due to the deficiency of iron in our body. Okay. Today I will send some notes regarding this. New words you have to write and study. Now I think it is the time to wind up my class. Okay. Dear students, thank you.